Hello, welcome back. My name is Dan Abella, and I'm the organizer of the Psychedelic Film and Music Festival. Back in 2018, I created this festival with the goal of sharing the possibilities that exist in our mind with the use of psychedelic films, music, or even psychedelics. Not an advocate of self indulgence, my goal at that time was to share that there are worlds inside of us, inside your mind, inside of our minds, that once open can lead to a wide range of experiences. Unfortunately, there are many of us that are stuck in a very strange kind of trance, a trance where we relive trauma and war experiences every day. This is the trance of post traumatic stress disorder. Now, 1 out of 8 Americans currently has PTSD, and close to 22 vets take their lives every day to rid themselves of the torment of living with this condition. Our goal this year is to raise $1,000 so we can contribute this to the Wounded Warrior Project, a well respected nonprofit organization that has been very effective in treating families and veterans with PTSD. Now, thanks to the support of several sponsors recently, we're more than halfway there. However, I'm asking all of you to chip in and make a difference now. Now, there are ways you can do this. One way is to directly support our PTSD drive by going to our website, the Psychedelic Film and Music Festival, and make a donation of $20 to the Wounded Warrior Project. This is a nonprofit organization, so you'll be able to write it off of your taxes. But more importantly, you'll feel you're making a difference in somebody else's lives. The other way is to buy a festival ticket for only $10, also available in our website. And with this ticket, you'll be able to watch a panoply of various films and music performances dedicated specifically to this cause. Now, hoping you can all join us and make this a difference. Now, PTSD is not going away tomorrow or the day after, but we all chip in and we all decide we gotta erase PTSD once and for all. We can make a difference now. Belonging together is where we belong. Connecting together is what we are. So I hope to see you and many others at our festival, June 11th, 12th, and 13th. Until then, see you then. God bless and have a great day.